Well, good morning, Alabama. It's Duke's World again. My parts came in. I've got to say, the new one looks a lot better than this one did. A little more meat on the bone, you might say. No noise. Got the new belt. I don't know what the old belt looks like, so I'll find out when I take it off. As you remember, I've got some work to do today. Got to take it. Now, I got the arm off and everything, but I got to take that belt off. And to get that belt off, I've got to pull this PTO. And see, it says to pull the deck, but I ain't pulling the deck. I'll probably take this bar out right here too, so the PTO can fall down far enough so I can get it off. I just hope it's not stuck on there. But I'll bring you back when I get it off, and I'll try to get as much film as I can. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Y'all have a good one. Bye. Okay, as you can see, I've already put the new pulley on. Ain't a whole lot of gap there, but that's what it calls for. And then I am in the process of taking off the PTO. Now, I got this bar out that was right here. Come across here to get it out of the way, and then I've got the main bolt. I've got it all the way backed out. I got the belt off of it. I see no reason to take it deck off. Just move the belt out of the way. Gotta shorten my time a little bit, and then next I'll drop that P2 out, and first I got to turn it off because I had to turn it off to lock it in place to get that bolt to break loose. All right. Now I'll see about getting that PTO out of my way. And I think I'm going to take this muffler exhaust shield off here because it's in my way. It wouldn't take that much to take it off. So I'll get you back later, and let's see. It says it's a wide angle, but this is what I'm talking about taking off. It's exhaust shield. Don't want to take the exhaust off. I'd have to break the gaskets on it. I don't want to do that. All right, so it should be no problem. Back in a little bit. And now, for your enjoyment, some more shaky cam action. But I think it was time to replace that belt, don't you? Yeah. I'm glad I bought one. Usually when the pulley goes out like that, the belt gets hot and comes apart. It didn't come completely apart, but it would have. And now, this, I'll be able to show you where this goes at as soon as I put it back together. I'll be right back. I gotta find a place to set you. Well, there we go. Okay, let me try this. Get a light in here. All right, you see that hole right there with that half moon? All right. Well, do it again. Hold on. Hope I ain't making nobody sick, but I know probably am. But anyway. I hope you can see that. It goes in there just like that. And then I'll show you again after I get it in. So I'll be back in a few minutes. Bye. Yeah, let me try this again. I thought I had it recorded, but I didn't. Alright, I got the new pulleys in. It's right there. I wish I had a better light, but my other light went out on me. And then, as you can see, the writing on the, I don't know if you can see it or not. Yeah, the writing on the belt, it's good. And then there's the pulley. I guess I'm gonna have to go in the house and get my other, get me another battery. I'll be back in a minute, and I'll show you how to put this PTO back on. Okay, if anybody's interested, these lights from Harbor Freight, they use one of these batteries. Alright, now I'm pretty sure most of you already know this, but this is the same battery that comes out of battery packs for drills and stuff like that. Those vape cigarettes, I had a couple of those when I quit smoking. Didn't smoke about a month. Got that stuff in my mouth, that liquid, and that's the last time I needed that stuff. That was some nasty tasting stuff. But you can see where it's been. It was welded to the tip of the weld on both ends, but like I said, works great. And let me see. Yeah, there we go. Same battery. Now this is the same battery. I mean, this is out of one of those packs. That battery that came with it just went out on me. You can charge it through your cigarette lighter. I mean, through I've got a charger that I use. It's for large cell batteries. I don't know what size these are. G4. Let's see, G4 STGT6KA12S. Have no idea what that means. It's a Sony Fukushima. There's the info on the battery in case you want it. But this is about the third time I've had to change batteries in it, and I still haven't put the original back in there. Anyway, it works. I can see what I'm doing now. Okay, now I'm going to try to show you how to put this PTO back in there. Now, I can tell you all day long and I'll probably be wrong. I've got to see if you can see it. This jack is in the way. Let me try it over here. Let me see here. Shoot, that's even worse. Okay, there it is. Yeah. Alright. There's the shaft. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand that up right there. And of course, it's going to be in the way. One thing I like about these lights, they're magnetized and you can hang them anywhere. Okay, now that's better. All right, you have this spacer that got this. You have this spacer that's got to go in there first, and it goes on top of your PTO, right like that. Now I thought about putting no C's on this PTO, but I kind of think maybe I should. All right. There. All right. Now this wire goes up through a hole in the frame, right up through here. Connects up there. And then you got this bar right here that holds that PTO in place. If you didn't have it on there, it would just spin and jerk your wires out and everything else. Now it goes, I don't know if you can see it or not. See that little notch right there? There's a notch that fits in. Just like that right there. Because except it goes this way. And you'll bring that around. Line it up. Put your bolts in there. Alright, let me get a socket. Works when you turn it the right way. Better. And you keep your fingers out of the way. And of course I've got the plugs disconnected. To be on the safe side, you don't want to get your fingers cut off. I've never seen a lawnmower start up while working on it except for a push mower. The old push mowers, you could actually spin the blade and it would crank up. Just like pulling with a pull rope. One boy I went to school with. His dad ran over his toes with a riding lawnmower. Took him off. That's some serious stuff right there. I think it's a 16 millimeter. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna make a little noise here. Now, okay, that's how you put that on. That's got the PTO on. And I bumped the camera, didn't I? Yep, well, there. You can see the PTO's back on. Now I got to bring this belt up here and put this back through here. And then I'll go up front, pull that belt tight, put it back on the pulley. Sometimes I can do it by myself, sometimes I can't. Sometimes I have to wait till the wife gets home to help. That was easy enough. Now put the cross member in. Don't need to forget that. Now I just replaced this deck belt probably less than a month ago. And I see no reason to replace it now. Still in good shape. I need to straighten that out sometime. Be right back. That should not be bent like that. Be right back. We'll straighten that washer out. Well, I flipped that out of the way and lost it. So, I want to go take its place. Alright, here we go. Probably should replace it anyway. There we go. Alright. Yeah, 14 millimeter. Okay. Alright, well, I'll put the exhaust back on it and then it'll be ready to go. Exhaust shield, and then I'll take it out and try it out. Back a little bit. Well, she's back together and I got it ready to run. Get my coffee. And let's see how it does. To engage the transmissions. I do that every time. Never fails. Okay. Alright, let's see how let's go here and see how it cuts. I'm going to set you up right here so you get a good angle of it. I don't know if you can tell, but that grass ain't been mowed in 2 weeks.